Think you can't start your own online business because you are totally new to online marketing? You have no experience, no connections, no money, and you think you can't do this? Well, I'm about to talk to you how you can make it happen in this video, so stick around. Okay guys, so in this video we are going to talk about how to start your own online business. Even though if you have zero experience, zero connections, you're not tech savvy, you don't know where it is to start from, that's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video, okay? But before I get into that, make sure to push on that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so y'all get notified whenever I make new videos for all of y'all, okay? So let's say that you've decided that you do not want to be doing your 9-to-5 job anymore for whatever reason. You want to get out. You feel like there's no escape. There's nothing that you can do. Well, you can start your own online business and create a passive income stream that can be predictable, meaning that you know how much you're going to be making every month, and you can predict how much you're going to be making in a couple of months, 3 months, so forth and so on. A consistent recurring revenue stream that can replace your full-time job. Okay, so there's a lot of programs out there that basically overcomplicate things. That's the truth. I've been doing online marketing for over 3 years now. I've spent a lot of money, made a lot of mistakes, and that's what my hope is here for you. Okay, learn from the mistakes that I made. Do not repeat them, because you'll waste a lot of time and you'll waste a lot of effort and a lot of money. Okay, so the things that I've learned is that there are several business models out there, okay, to make money online. You can do coaching, you can consulting, you can do events, you can do affiliate marketing, you can also sell digital products, you can sell physical products like e-commerce and stuff like that. And what I have found is one of the easiest, quickest, low-cost ways to start an online business is with affiliate marketing. And that's what it is that I teach, how to do affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is pretty much when you promote other people's products and other people's services, okay? Let's say you were to see a good movie at the theater, then you recommend that movie to one of your friends. Well, imagine if when that friend goes over there, they take a coupon that you gave them, they get some money off of that movie, then they go in there, they see the movie, a sale is made, and when that sale is made, the theater sends you a little check because there was a sale made. That's what affiliate marketing is. Basically, you are recommending products and services to other people. And whenever there is a sale made, you make that commission. Okay? So it's easy to start up. It's easy to set up. There's low cost. It doesn't cost thousands and thousands of dollars. If you were to open up a McDonald's franchise or a Wendy's or a Burger King or any one of these established places, it will cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars. But let me ask you, would you rather open up a McDonald's, a Wendy's, or Burger King? Would you rather do that, or would you rather open up your own burger place where you have to create the systems, where you have to create the product, where you have to build up a list, where you have to build up a reputation, where you have to build from the ground floor up? Would you rather do your own burger joint, or would you rather tap into a proven system like McDonald's? Which one would you do? Obviously, you would pick the McDonald's. Why? Because they have the systems in place, they have the products in place, they have the reputation in place. Okay? So when I look for programs, things that I want to become a part of, I look for those things. Are the systems in place? Are the products in place, or do I have to create my own? What about the reputation of that person? Basically, the McDonald's of learning online marketing, affiliate marketing. Okay, So I look to see who is, the best and who has the proven track record and all that. And so if you click on the link below, I'm going to give you access to that course that I'm talking about. And in this course, it teaches you affiliate marketing from the ground up. Okay. It teaches you one of the main problems with affiliate marketing, that being when you do affiliate marketing, there's a sale made, you make a commission, and that is a fantastic model. The problem with that is that you don't have recurring commissions. You don't. You sell one product, you sell it, you get one commission, and that's it. But what about creating an entire ecosystem of things? And when you create an ecosystem, an entire suite of products, that's when you can really maximize your profits and start creating that consistent, predictable monthly income that we were mentioning further. Okay. One of the examples I like to use is, let's say you were selling shoes for Nike, right? Let's say you sell shoes for Nike. You sold a pair online to whoever, you made one commission, fantastic, right? But what about the socks that they wear? What about the athletic wear that they do? Or any of the other Nike products? You don't make a commission on any of that because you just made one commission. Well, that's where an ecosystem starts, okay? You want to tap into a proven ecosystem that can help generate consistent, predictable monthly income, okay? So in terms of online, you can find a program that will teach people online marketing, right? You can send somebody in there, you make a commission. You could even make a monthly commission because a lot of times these programs, they require a monthly fee. So let's say you start creating a monthly fee commission from whatever customers you send to this program, okay? There are tools that you need to maintain your business. Just like if you were going to build a house, you need a hammer, you need a saw, you need lumber, you need plumbing, you need all kinds of things. And it's no different with creating your online business. You're going to need a product, you're going to need a lead magnet, and I'm not trying to overwhelm you, but you're going to need different tools and assets to help build up your business. And so every time you send somebody to this program and they buy these different tools, there's about 2 or 3 major ones that you need. When they buy these different tools, you make the commission on that. And so it's not just the program commission, but it's like the 3 tool commissions that you start securing every single month. So let's say you buy the program. Let's say they buy the program. That's a commission number 1. They also buy the software to help create their websites, okay, and landing pages. They also buy a program to help them send out their emails, and they also buy a program to help them do their click tracking. Now, these tools aren't mandated, but they are highly, highly recommended. Highly recommended. By creating your own email list, using these tools, and you create your own email list, you essentially get in front of a bigger audience. You get in front of a lot more people, and the more people that you communicate with, the more likely you're going to have more sales done. Would you rather speak in front of a group of 20 to 30 people or 2,000 to 3,000 people? More. Why? It's because the more people, the more exposure you get, the more likely you're going to have sales. And it's the same thing with an email list. Your email list is your asset because through your list, you are creating free traffic that you can send other promotions to and, increase your sales. So this program is very low cost, complete beginner friendly. If you know nothing about online, if you know nothing about computers, this program is for you. You don't have to be technically savvy. You don't have to have connections. You don't need none of that things. What you need is to have an open mind, be teachable, and take actions based upon what is taught to you. Okay, you want access to that program? I believe it's like $7, and in that program it has like 13 to 16 different streams of income that you can create. it's a lot of streams, right? From one product, you can have like 13 to 16 different streams of income simply by just promoting, this one program. And it's very easy, very user friendly, very low cost, as I mentioned to you. And that's how you can ensure your success, by tapping into a low cost proven system that could take somebody from zero to having their own consistent, predictable monthly income. That sounds good to you? Make sure to click on the link below. Feel free to reach out to me and I'll be happy to answer any one of your questions, okay? Click on the link below. That's all it is I have for today. Hope you all enjoyed yourselves. Hope you learned something. If you liked the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, okay? Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and I will see you next time. Take care.